Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher. In the series of narration, this is part 2. In the first part, we have studied what is narration, direct speech and indirect speech, along with how to change affirmative kind of sentences. What is tense change, we have already discussed. Now the remaining, this is part 2, we are going to discuss questions, command and request, let type of questions and exclamatory sentences. So let's begin. First of all, questions. How to change questions in indirect form of narration. Very first thing about reporting verb. If reporting verb said is given, we'll change it to asked or inquired of. Very easy. Simply change it into asked. Said equals to asked or inquired of. If WH word is given, asked plus WH word. For yes or no type, if or whether, if helping verb is given, that is yes or no type of question, then asked plus if or whether. And remaining rules will be same as we have already discussed in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, link is given in description. Go through the link and watch it for better understanding. So let's begin with examples. He said, "What are you doing?" Interrogative WH type of question. He said, said, reporting verb. What are you doing? Reported speech. Said will be changed into asked. That, what, when, where, how will be used as conjunction, like we have used in affirmative that. So here the same question word will be used as conjunction. He asked what, and the remaining portion will be written in affirmative. No use of question mark. He asked what I was doing. इसको आपको कैसे चेंज करना है? पहली चीज़, जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड है आपका वही काम करेगा आपका कंजंक्शन का, और बाकी जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन बचता है जो क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट में है उसको हम अफर्मेटिव फॉर्मेट में बना देंगे. ये नहीं कि पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब फिर सब्जेक्ट उसके बाद मेन वर्ब. सिंपली हम लिखेंगे सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड मेन वर्ब, एंड रिमेनिंग विल फॉलो. Now the next one, yes or no type question. They said, "Do you go to school?" उन्होंने कहा क्या तुम स्कूल जाते हो? The asked, said will be changed into asked, inquired of. If, because it is helping verb question. If or whether you can use. They asked if I went to school. Whom they are asking to? I. उन्होंने पूछा, मुझसे पूछा होगा, do you go to school? Then I went to school. Here you can use he or she as well. If he went to school, if she went to school. Next one, I said to her, where is your elder brother now? Where? Question word. I said to her, where is your elder brother now? I asked her. Said to into asked. I asked her. Where her? Your written. Where her? Because I have asked her. किससे पूछा मैंने? हर से, गर्ल से. तो यहाँ पे हम यूज करेंगे हर. एल्डर ब्रदर नाउ विल चेंज इनटू देन. दिस डे, दैट डे. टुडे, दैट डे. टुमारो, द नेक्स्ट डे. yesterday, the previous day. now, then. here, there. You said, can he take the bull by horns? तुमने कहा कि क्या वो बैल की सींग पकड़ सकता है? You asked if. It is also yes or no type question. Helping verb is given. He asked if he could, can, could take the bull by horns. Next one, he said to her, will you speak softly as your bark is worse than your bite? उसने उससे कहा कि क्या थोड़ा धीरे बोलोगी, ये भौंकना तुम्हारा काटने से ज़्यादा खतरनाक है। He asked her, उसने उससे पूछा, whether she would speak softly, if or whether, will, helping verb. He asked her whether she would speak softly as her bark was worse than her bite. यहाँ पे आप ध्यान देंगे, अगर जहाँ जहाँ यू लगा हुआ है, योर लगा हुआ है, वो सी और हर में चेंज हो जाएगा। यू सी, योर हर, योर हर। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, माई ब्रदर सेड, इन पास्ट टेंस डिड। My brother said, did she help her sister during assessment? Simple, my brother asked, no doubt here. Did, interrogative yes or no type, if or whether. You have to use if or whether. She had helped her sister during assessment. No question mark required. Rohan said, where did they collect the information for their project? Where, did, question word. Rohan asked where they had collected information for their project. Said will be changed into asked. Where will be used as conjunction. Then remaining portion will be in affirmative. They had collected. Did, simple past, will be changed into past perfect. They had collected information for their project. Now, command or order, request. Said to will be changed into ordered, suggested, advised. And if please is given in the sentence, it will change into requested. Let's see some examples. Remaining rules will be same as earlier. She said to the servant, bring a glass of water. उसने नौकर से कहा कि एक ग्लास पानी लेके आओ। अब नौकर को ऑर्डर करेगी वो। said to will be changed into order. She ordered the servant to bring, infinitive to will be used in such sentences. She ordered the servant to bring a glass of water. Imperative sentences के लिए, command के लिए, request के लिए, order के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? to, infinitive to, because it is written in first form of verb. ये first form है bring. Next one, the next example that we have, the teacher said work hard. टीचर ने कुछ सजेशन दिया, एडवाइस किया. द टीचर एडवाइज्ड टू वर्क हार्ड. सिंपल, कॉमा इनवर्टेड कॉमा हटा देना है आपको, केवल टू का इस्तेमाल करना है और रिमेनिंग जैसे वो लिखा हुआ है, जिस तरह से कमांड रिक्वेस्ट लिखी हुई है, एज इट इज़ लिख देना. द टीचर एडवाइज्ड टू वर्क हार्ड. आई सेड टेल हिम टू मीट मी. आई ऑर्डर्ड टू टेल हिम टू meet me. Simply to tell him to meet me. Next, if let sentences are given, if there are some sentences having let, अगर let दिया हुआ है sentences में, तब हम क्या करेंगे? Examples, Jack said let us have dinner. जैक ने कहा चलो खाना खाते हैं. Jack proposed, जैक ने ये प्रपोजल दिया. Jack proposed that they should have dinner. Where there is let, will use should, might according to sentence. She said let us do something. What she said? Let us do something. She suggested, it was her suggestion. She suggested that we should do something, कि हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. Let us do something, आओ कुछ करें. She suggested that we should do something. उसने कहा कि हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. He shouted let me go. He shouted to let him go. अब यहाँ पे आपको should की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Let me go because it is in a simple imperative format. Let me go, मुझे जाने दो. He shouted to let him go. वो चिल्लाया कि उसे जाने दो. The beggar said लेट मी हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। बेगर ने क्या बोला कि उसे एक कप कॉफ़ी चाहिए थी। द बेगर डिज़ायर्ड, ये उसकी इच्छा थी, दैट ही माइट हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी, काश उसे एक कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी मिल जाती। ही माइट हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। नाउ द लास्ट वन इन दिस वीडियो, exclamation and wishes. If exclamation is given in sentences in direct narration, how will you change? There are some basic rules that we have already studied. What will be changes here? Said, wished, exclaimed with sorrow, joy or surprise, astonishment or any other thing you can use. But these are basic words. Said will change into wished or exclaimed with sorrow, joy, surprise. Let's see the examples. He said, "What a beautiful girl she is." Exclaimed, said would be changed into exclaimed. Said को हमने change कर लिया exclaimed में. He exclaimed that she was a very beautiful girl. She said, "What a grand building it is." She exclaimed that it was a grand building. It was a very grand building. In the same way, the old man said, "Alas, I cannot walk." बूढ़ा कहता है कि मुझे दुख है, खेद है कि मैं चल नहीं सकता. The old man exclaimed with sorrow, alas, sorrow, that he could not walk. उसे दुख था, वो दुखी था, खेद प्रकट कर रहा था कि वो चल नहीं सकता था. Can, could. And the remaining portion will change accordingly as we have already discussed. They said, "Hooray, we have won the match." Hooray, that suggests joy. They exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. We have, they had. They had won the match. So this will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense. Hooray, exclaimed with joy. Next and last question in this video. She said to us, "Goodbye, my friends." This is time for me too to say you goodbye, to say goodbye to all of you. If such questions are there in your examination before you, how will you change it into indirect narration? She said to us, "Goodbye, my friends." She bade. She said to us, "Good night, goodbye, good luck." At such situations, we'll write, she bade. We'll use bade. She bade goodbye to her friends. Now this is time for me to say you goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.